EI106 from JFK on a 330-300. EIFNG.
Look at that! Sean, welcome along. Been watching your Twitter updates all morning.
Welcome, Sean.
I didn't have to write a note for him in the end, his school closed. For anyone that doesn't already, follow Sean's Aviation. He gives live updates from Dublin Airport and most aviation events live as they're happening. He just be listening to it.
Should be an interesting landing from the 330.
Oh, gone. Go around.
Nice go around. And into the cloud. It's going to be cool to watch them come out of the cloud now.